2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, stability control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, MP3 capability, trip computer, compass, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Can buy with confidence and peace of mind at M&I Motors, located on Skokie Valley Road just north of Route 22. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Qualified vehicles are put through a rigorous 127-point safety inspection. The engine oil is replaced and fluids are topped off, and include a 3-month, 3,000-mile, limited vehicle protection warranty.